Oliver,
What?
what are you doing? Why are you cleaning?
I have to in order to go, bro.
You what?
I have to in order to go.
Oh, you were given a condition, huh?
Yeah, man.
None of you know this yet, but that's why that's why I live alone now. I moved out. Buddy, hi, buddy. That's his name. His name's Buddy. He's got a dumb name.
You got a dumb.
You suck. Do you need help cleaning the bathroom?
Almost done.
You almost done? Yeah.
Do you need to grab chargers from here?
Feel scared.
My camera died, so I had to go to my fiance's house and get her camera. This is still my camera. I just stole all her batteries. So yeah, we're on our way to Wyoming. We're just gonna screw around and see what happens. Oliver, you wanna say hi to the camera?
Hello, camera.
So yeah, we're going to Wyoming. We're gonna have a good time. Bye. Cool. We're almost there, dude. Check out the road. We're almost there, man. We got, let me see. We got about 20 minutes left. About 20 minutes. We're almost there. Looking good. Who we going to see again?
Silas.
Wrong.
Sunshine.
Silas is his brother.
Oh,
Yeah,
my bad.
we're going to see Sunshine. I don't know if you guys have seen Sunshine on the channel, but if you haven't yet, you will someday. So we're just going to pick, like I said, we're going to pick up some PC parts from him. So might as well vlog the journey. So let's go.
We forgot to film getting the PC parts from Sunshine. We just came from the college back there and we didn't bring the camera in.
There's an abandoned place up there that we could see we could go if we could get in. Figure out if we can get in. You want to?
Spooky.
You want to go see if we can figure out how to get in?
Sure, bro, I'm down.
Alright, bet. Let's do it. Well, if we get in, we'll see y'all there.
Pulling up. We actually found out it's a cement company.
Maybe we can figure out a way to get in. Just gotta go around the back, I'm guessing. So, might as well try to figure it out. Might be able to get off the fence. It doesn't look like shit's going down here. Alright, so we made it in. Check this out. It goes in super far into there. Let me zoom in. It goes in super far. You can barely see it. But it goes in probably what? Probably goes in what? Like, I don't know, 50?
Used to look like an old conveyor belt.
Yeah.
Some sorts.
Alright, let's go. Let's go check out on the inside. Alright, so we made it inside. This place is huge. What was this? Like an old concrete factory or something?
That's what it said, yeah.
You said it said it was an old concrete factory?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's really cool.
Look like it came down there.
Yeah. Maybe that's why they built the new one? Think that could be why they built the new one?
Yeah, that's definitely why. There's a ton of ashes and broken glass.
There's always some really cool graffiti in places like this. Dubstep for life. Same. Just tires and yeah, a bunch of what looked to be fire pits. Like where people decided like, all right, we're gonna have a good night here, or some homeless person. So. Shh. Here. It's recording. Shut up. Alright, let's go.
Not sure if it's safe to be up here.
Yeah, I know. The bars are cut down. And super cool. There. Hey, be careful with these. Let's get on the concrete. This is why you gotta watch your step.
That would hurt.
That would definitely hurt, dude.
So would that.
Careful, there's other holes that get around here. The year we died, 2020. Super on that.
Well, I'm still alive.
2 years later, still alive.
Oh, there's my last name.
It's wrong, it's spelled wrong. It's spelled wrong, dude.
Yo.
Yo, there's a big tank. Still pretty cool, though. Good.
Here you go.
Up. This building looks like it's.
this no more. I don't like this Michael.
It looks like it's getting ready to collapse. Put up the. It's crazy here, dude. It's super cool. Look how high we are. Fully zoomed out. I'm trying not to get close. Hey, look, a giant penis. Yeah, super cool here, though. Yeah, here's where we were earlier when I took that wide shot of this whole place. It's super dope, though. Yeah, we can definitely take some cool pics here. I'll take them on this thing. Take them in portrait. Alright, so this has been a super cool place. We just got done doing a photo shoot. This is a pretty cool place to do a photo shoot, don't you think?
Super cool.
Super cool. But we got some like right here. Got some from up there when we were looking down right here. Super cool place. But we're gonna, you wanna go check out those buildings on the outside, see if we can't see anything?
Yeah, dude, let's do it, bro.
Yeah? Alright, let's do it.
I'm just hoping that the camera can actually edit well.
Yeah, dude. These stairs are so freaking janky, dude. It's crazy. What, you taking a picture? Smile for the camera on the camera? Dude. I don't like these stairs, dude. And then like it's super like... It sounds like it's solid, but like it's not at all. It sounds solid, but I guarantee you it's not. Yeah, like right here, careful because it's like shaky. It's so weird. And then to get up here, we had to go down or go up this ladder right here. And this is a super cool place. I actually want to go way over there real quick, see if we can't see anything. So, it's so loud too. I'm trying to be as quiet as I can. Being my fat ass, it's easy to make sure that this stays down and not be super loud. Yeah, see, it's janky. Careful. Alright, so where are we going? Way over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoops. There's a spray paint can. That's not very nice. Don't say that. BLM F12. Don't say that. Yeah. You said what? Oh, this? Yeah, that is a cool picture spot. Look at this. If this was live, this would be so much power, dude. Like, you touch it, you kill like 14 people. It's still super cool. Like, at work, I work with stuff like this all the time. And then ACs, because I do HVAC. Yo, check this out.
Yo.
That's cool.
It's like honeycomb.
Yeah, super dope. Alright. Alright, we'll meet you guys back in a second. We're gonna go over there after we take a couple more pictures. Look at all these big tanks. What do you think was in these? Just straight up concrete?
I don't know.
You what?
I literally could not tell you.
This one just got a giant hole cut out of it. I think they all did. What, are you gonna play some Uncharted and climb the ladder like that? Careful, dude. We got some Nathan Drake action going on here.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Right there. That little exclamation point. Yeah, screen goes blurry and then we do the outro. Just the outro after it goes blurry. Oh, that's not janky at all.
Yes.
Yeah. I want to go check out those couple of buildings right there here after this. But yeah, there's nothing much up here other than that thing right there, which I don't think is written. What the hell?
Very dangerous.
Alright. So, this is not creepy at all. You coming in, Ollie? Where did he go? Oh, there he is. You coming in? Come on. This looks like it was the main office. There's all the controls right there. Huh?
This is a depressing room.
Yeah?
Love is dead.
You need a cart? Literally all the windows in this place are busted out. There's not I think there's a couple up there that are fine, but that's it. You can't see that. Oh, right there. See if I can focus it. Outside, yeah, there we go. I got it. To focus. You going to work, Ollie? Do not. It's loud.
Very dangerous.
Can you even?
Hey, let me kick it open.
Got it.
Wow.
Don't. Seriously, come back here. Oh, I thought that was a light. I'm like, shit. Looks like this was the kitchen. This was the kitchen in here. Do not twist anything. It's like twisting this bottle.
I like propane.
Yeah, we'll kill ourselves with the propane. Looks like people are doing drugs.
CO2.
No, it's not CO2. That's nitrogen. So I don't remember. I saw something about it with Steve-O, but I don't remember exactly what it was. Don't touch that. There could be HIV on it. Put it by your mouth again. That'll be the thumbnail of the video. Wait, I gotta focus it. Dude! You wanna go up top? Why?
Scary.
So?
Close the door real quick.
Huh?
Close the door real quick.
Oh yeah, please do.
Alright, it's locked.
Cool. There's nothing much up here. Yeah, there's nothing much up here. Cool. Alright, let's head back, okay?
Back to the car?
Yeah, we'll head back to the car.
Safety? I like it.
Yeah, let's get back. Alright, we made it back, buddy. That was super cool, dude. That was a super cool place to be. Let me focus it on there. There we go. Focus it as best as I can with the fence in the way. But what do you think? That was your first urban exploring experience. What do you think, dude?
It's pretty sketchy, bro.
It's sketchy, but it's super cool, isn't
Couple
it?
sledgehammer swings, that thing's coming down for real.
Yeah. If you guys look back at the clip, I don't remember, or I don't know where it's gonna be because this is before edits. But that clip, where at the top, the concrete was all coming down.
In the middle was
Yeah.
like
Crumbling.
coming down.
Yeah, dude, it was crazy, but we'll definitely have to do this again.
Oh, for sure.
So, but dude, that was a crazy experience. It was fun. It wasn't my first urban exploring experience, but first with you.
Yeah, that was lit.
Super dope. So, be looking out for more videos like this in the future. I know it was a little of an off video because we forgot to get PC part, or forgot to put the PC part in the video, but this was a good urban exploring video. So thank you guys for watching. Odd Squad, love you guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.